Pacific Domes provides 3 types of deck plans depending on your needs. Whether you're installing your dome permanently, temporarily, or for a nomadic lifestyle. Our dome home covers are designed with a hem that extends below the flooring to shed rain. Here are our 3 deck plan options. Our stationary joist deck plan is easiest to build and perfect for a permanent installation. The portable pie piece method is ideal if you plan to move your dome on occasion. It is built in sections to allow for transportation.
And the dome deck is made up of 15 pie pieces so that when I want to move it, I can break down the floor easily. I can pack up the whole floor, dome, and loft onto my truck and a trailer.
The perimeter board functions for earthen floors and/or nomadic lifestyles. It can be used in conjunction with our Nomad Floor Option, an elegant and sturdy tarp that creates a water barrier. The Nomad floor is fastened to the top of the perimeter board and therefore can resist exterior standing water. The perimeter board can also provide a form for tile, cob, or concrete. Any of these plans can be installed on a pre-existing deck. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.